Did you know that neglecting to apply patches in OpenEMR can lead to a staggering 80% increase in system vulnerabilities? Yup, you heard that right. It's a game changer when it comes to keeping your data safe and your system running smoothly. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of OpenEMR patches. Applying these patches is super important, not just for keeping your system secure but also for enhancing its functionality. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on the benefits they bring. Let's talk about some common challenges many users face when it comes to applying these patches. First up, there's the lack of knowledge. A lot of folks aren't sure where to start or what the whole patching process even involves. Then, there's that nagging fear of system failure. I mean, who wants to mess up their system, right? It's totally understandable to feel overwhelmed when you see all those technical steps. But hey, don't worry. We're going to break it down together. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of applying an OpenEMR patch like a pro. First things first, make sure you have a backup of your current system. Seriously, you don't want to skip this step. Next, check for prerequisites, like ensuring your OpenEMR is running the right version that the patch is meant for. Now, download the patch from the official OpenEMR website. Once you have it, navigate to your OpenEMR directory and upload the patch files. It's time to run the patch script. Open your terminal and execute the command. Make sure to follow any prompts that appear. And voila, you're one step closer to a more secure system. Regularly updating your OpenEMR with patches is crucial for security and functionality. Don't leave your system vulnerable. I'd love to hear about your experiences with applying OpenEMR patches. Drop your comments below with your questions or tips. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out my other videos for more OpenEMR tips. Until next time, keep your systems updated and secure.